How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in this guide, we're going to show you how to trade with fake money on Trading212. Alright, so if you're new to Trading212, you will then be prompted to create an account. And if you'd like to trade with live funds, you then have to verify your identity and add funds into your account. But on the other hand, if you simply just want to test your strategy, you can then tap on practice with virtual money. Alright, so once you do that, you then be switched over to a demo account. And at the very top, you'll then be able to see your available balance. So in this case, we have £5,000. So you can then choose whichever asset you'd like to trade. So in this case, let's go with gold. You can then choose to sell, buy, and right below that, you'll also be able to see the chart. So automatically, you're going to be shown the line chart. And if you'd like to switch over to candlesticks, simply tap on the candlestick icon. Then just below that, you can also see all the different time frames you can set. So in this case, we're on the 5-minute chart. So you can go ahead and choose whichever time frame fits your strategy. And once you scroll down, you'll then be able to see the price alerts and the upcoming news events. If you'd like to take a position, simply tap on sell or buy. You'll then be able to switch between market orders and limit or stop orders. You can also set the quantity, stop loss, and take profit levels. Then once you're okay, simply confirm your order. And once you do that, your trade will then be executed. So in this case, we just opened up a buy position. You can then see your open positions and the current P&L. So if you'd like to close the trade, simply swipe left. So that's simply how to trade with fake money on Trading212. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.